Let's make baked tostadas to your taste. Starting with a healthier tostada shell, preheat the oven to 425. Lay the tortillas on a baking sheet in a single layer. Brush each side of the tortilla with canola oil. Canola oil has a higher smoke point, meaning it can handle a high heat and make a crispier shell. Bake 8 to 10 minutes, flipping them halfway through cooking. Want an easier method? Use the microwave. Microwave for 1 minute, flip, and then microwave 45 to 60 seconds more. To top the tostadas, let's make our delicious non-refried beans. Add 2 cans of low-sodium beans, 1 cup of salsa, and stir to combine. Bring them to a simmer, then lower the heat. Now mash them up. Work off any stress from the day or grab your kids for this activity. Add a little salt and pepper to your taste. Want an easier method? Use the microwave. Add the beans plus 1 cup of salsa of your choice and microwave them in 3 30-second intervals while stirring in between. Mash the refried beans to the consistency you love. Don't forget a little salt and pepper to your taste. It's time to make your tostadas. Spread beans on each shell as the base. We love the beans because it makes a sticky base for all your toppings. We have cheese, cilantro, avocado, proteins such as chicken, salmon, ground turkey, tomato, lettuce. The options are truly endless. Let's take a look at some of our favorites. Mix it up, make it yours, and cook it to your taste. See you next time. Cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.